What is the stage? I tell you that the most carefully prepared speech is never heard because of this mind blow called as stage fear, nervous antophobia. Stage fear is also called nervous antophobia. Most of the people feel anxiety and fear come on the stage. Who people feel anxiety and fear? I tell you that always those people feel anxiety and fear who never come on the stage. Before coming to stage, when we are sitting in the audience, then we feel anxiety and fear. If we want to present a good presentation and a good lecture on the stage, then first of all, there is need to finish the anxiety and fear. So, if we want to present a good presentation, then there is need to finish the anxiety, and if we finish the anxiety, then confidence build between us, then we can perform the good. So if we destroy, if we finish completely anxiety, then we can present a presentation, any presentation or a speech on stage in the front of the thousands of the people at anywhere, at any time, nowhere, without any trouble. Why are you feared? Why are you feared when you are sitting in the audience on the stage? I am scared of what might happen on the stage. I am at the center of attention. Feelings of strangeness, fear of the rejection and embarrassment. My grammar is so bad, so I tell you that even the most confident performers suffer from a stage fright, and stage fright is common for everyone. So don't worry, if you want to present a good presentation, then you can also overcome your stage fright by a training of your mind and by a training of your body again and again. You can do a training in the front of mirror or in the front of our friends. Oh God, what will happen if I cannot even utter a word? Some ladies present and I did not even shave properly. What will my teacher sitting in the audience think of this? So these all the fear and all the facts of the anxiety and fear. There are also some facts of the anxiety. These facts always due to the lessness of confidence. So if we have not confidence, then we cannot present a good presentation. So for that, some people come on the stage and start wringing our hand and put our hands on the table. So if we finish the anxiety, then all the facts of the anxiety is also finished. Then confidence built between us, and by this activity we can present a good presentation or a good activity on the stage. So I tell you that stage fright or the confidence also have a two types, positive and negative. Negative is that when we are sitting in the audience before come to stage, these all facts that I have discussed recently, these points come in the negative thinking. So if you prepared your presentation confidently, then definitely you can also present your presentation or a speech on the stage in the front of the audience, in a good manner. So first of all, I tell you that when you prepared your notes or a presentation confidently, then you're thinking, always you think that I will come on the stage and I will present a good presentation and a good lecture on a stage, and I will give the lesson to the audience. These points that I have discussed come in the positive thinking. If we have a positive thinking of a stage fear, then we can definitely give the good presentation in the front of the thousands of the people and thousands of the audience at anywhere, at any time, and without any trouble. However, we will enjoy our presentation, enjoy our speech on the stage. So first of all, I tell you that there is need to finish the anxiety, there is need to finish the fear. If we finish the fear, if we finish the anxiety, then all the points, all the facts of the anxiety is also destroyed, also finished, and we can give the good presentation. So next students,